Hi guys, welcome once again to my YouTube channel. I'm super excited once again to have you guys on my channel, and I'll be sharing with you how you can get remote jobs on Pinterest app. All right. So this is my Pinterest app. For those who don't know what Pinterest app look like, this is my Pinterest app, and you can use Pinterest app for your business. All right. And one of the things you need to know that on this app, you can also use it to search for job opportunities. All right. So you know that I do try to explore different apps and different websites that deals with job opportunity. All right. So I'm going to be showing you how you can get job opportunities using your Pinterest app to through searching. All right. So, and this app is applicable to worldwide, right? So anywhere you're watching this video, I'm going to show you how you can get started, right? So as you're looking at my screen, here is my Pinterest app. If you have this app, you just type Pinterest and you open this. So in my own case, you can see it showing open. But if you have not downloaded it, you can easily download the app, right? So if you have Android phone, you can also download Pinterest app on your Google Play Store. So let me head right on to the app. So as you can see, this is the app, and we have different ways you can use this app, all right? So one of the ways I find out is that you can use this app to search for job opportunity. You can see these first articles. We said how I made $700 every day using ChatGPT. So this is one way. So we're going to open this. All right, you can see it has opened. So what are we going to do now? We are going to click on these view sites in order to be able to view the website. All right, so let's open it. So this is the article about how to make money using ChatGPT. All right. So how to make money on Facebook with ChatGPT. So you are going to read this article, and it will help you to know how you can make money using your ChatGPT app. All right. So that is it. Then this is how we are going to search for job opportunities. So let's just type work from home jobs. So let's open that. So you can see different articles about work from home opportunities. All right, you can see 23 low stress work from home jobs with high pay, perfect for anxiety sufferers. All right, so you're going to open this. You're going to click on the view sites, and once you open it on the site, you're going to see necessary information about this about the job. All right, so look at this other one, 7 best Amazon work for home job. All right, so you click on it, and you go over to view site, and you're going to read the article, right? So you can see other ones, 17 remote jobs with paid training and while you learn. All right, the other one is 55 typing job for women, 1,500 per week. So you are going to open the article and read. Definitely you are going to see different ways in which you can make money. All right, so and you can also widen the search. How to we can see how to make money online. We can see worldwide. All right, so let's open it. Can you see this? So how to make Pinterest your full-time job, 15,000 plus monthly. Can you see this article is going to help you? You can see 16 online jobs that pays beginners. Can you see that? Getting paid to pin, I made over 335,000 from Pinterest. Can you see this article? So most people will want to get benefits from all these articles. So just kindly go over and search for these articles. Definitely when you watch the videos, or when you read those articles, you are going to get insight on how you can easily make money worldwide. All right, you can see this one: get paid $100 to like video. All right, so let's open this. In this video, I have shown you a website that will pay you a good chunk of money for just liking YouTube videos. This method is legit and it will help you get the initial capital that you need to start something else. All right, this method is great for anyone who is looking to some side income. You will get paid just to like YouTube video, right? So it's so easy. So how do you get started? You can click on view sites to get started. All right, so let's view the comments. You can see there are 15 comments over here. Please tell me how do I start? Getting paid to like videos is pretty cool. So you can see that the conversation over here is relevant. All right, so kindly go over to the using your search to search exactly what you're looking for. Let me look for one more. Let me search for remote jobs for, let's say, Africans. All right, so if you're an African, you can easily get opportunities by searching remote jobs for African. Can you see high paying remote jobs for African in 2024? Top work from home opportunities, wealthy 10. So just quickly go over here. You can see that you can view through the sites and read the articles. Definitely you are going to get information that is going to help you to get job opportunity. Can you see transcription job South Africa? Can you see this? So you're going to click this and you're going to view the link. All right, so what this other one, 11 jobs for people who love staying home. So this is a great opportunity that you can use to get job opportunity. All right, you all know that I like to share information that helps people to get independent jobs, especially work from home opportunity, and it's going to help you to make passive income. All right, so it's so good to share this information with you guys. So kindly go over to your Pinterest app. If you have not yet downloaded the app, download the app, and it will help you to get jobs opportunity. You can see different articles that individuals have put over here that will help you. You can see this one on Indian work from home job in India. You can see that 10 work from home jobs in India, $2,000 per month. All right, so work from home job for women in India. So you can see different articles. So kindly go over to your Pinterest app and follow the process. All right, so this is a great way for you to get jobs on Pinterest. So if you got value from this video, don't forget to give this video a like. Kindly click on the subscription button, turn off the notification bell, so that once I drop updates like this, you are not going to miss out on such opportunity. All right, so thank you guys, and I'll be seeing you guys in my next video. Bye bye.